It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Why do people dock dogs' tails? The practice of tail docking in dogs has generated considerable debate. Questions often arise about the motivations behind this procedure, whether for health, aesthetic, or traditional reasons. To understand the complexities of tail docking in dogs, it is essential to examine its historical context, its implications for dogs, and contemporary perspectives. Historical context of tail docking. Tail docking dates back thousands of years and was initially practiced for practical reasons. In certain working breeds, such as terriers, tails were shortened to prevent injury when navigating in confined spaces such as burrows or dense bushes. In hunting breeds, shorter tails were believed to reduce the risk of injury when navigating through thick undergrowth. Over time, tail docking became a common practice for many breeds, often without practical justification. Aesthetic considerations began to play an important role, driven by breed standards set by kennel clubs, which prioritized specific physical traits, such as tail length. This created the perception that docked tails were more desirable, perpetuating the cycle of docking in breeding practices. Modern scrutiny and animal welfare. In contemporary society, the motivations behind tail docking are increasingly being investigated. In many countries, the practice is restricted or banned altogether. A dog's tail is a vital tool for communication, conveying emotions such as happiness, excitement, and even fear. Tail docking can impair a dog's ability to express itself effectively. Veterinary professionals have pointed out the significant risks associated with tail docking, such as pain, infection, and complications during the healing process. While some claim that puppies do not experience pain, research indicates that they do experience pain and stress, which can have long-term consequences for their development. Changing perspectives on tail docking. Tail docking is still common in certain breeds such as Dobermans, Rottweilers, and Boxers. However, there is a growing movement among dog owners and breeders advocating for a natural appearance for dogs, which includes leaving their tails intact. Some dog owners still consider tail docking for its purported health benefits, believing that a docked tail can prevent injuries or specific health problems. However, such claims lack solid scientific support. In fact, an intact tail allows for a natural range of motion, which could prevent injuries during physical activities. Dogs' quality of life. The debate surrounding tail docking highlights the importance of a dog's quality of life. Dogs with intact tails are often better able to express emotions and interact with their environment. They use their tails to communicate, which is especially vital in social situations involving other dogs and humans. Tail docking eliminates this natural form of expression, which can lead to misunderstandings between dogs and their owners. A growing number of breed enthusiasts and responsible breeders advocate for a more humane approach to dog breeding and care. They emphasize the importance of prioritizing health. This shift has led an increasing number of breeders to reject tail docking, focusing instead on raising healthy dogs capable of living full lives. Cultural shift in dog ownership. As awareness of animal welfare increases, more and more dog owners are becoming informed about the implications of tail docking. Many pet owners now prefer to adopt dogs with intact tails, recognizing that these animals can lead happy and full lives without unnecessary surgical alterations. The reasons behind the practice of tail docking are complex and multifaceted. While some argue that this is a long-standing tradition or serves a practical purpose, it is critical to consider the ethical implications and the potential harm it causes to dogs. By promoting awareness and understanding, a future where all dogs can thrive is possible, whether they have long tails, short tails, or no tails at all. As we deepen our understanding of dogs' needs and the impact of our decisions on their lives, compassion and empathy become fundamental in our relationship with animals. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.